Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. Let us see what is coming up, guys. The Empress, Nine of Swords, King of Swords, Page of Cups, the Magician. Virgos, with these cards, you feel really powerful, in command of your situation, in command of your life. Maybe you may be in a certain kind of position in your life. You may be a lawyer, a doctor, or a senator, someone with a great command associated with their work. And maybe for some of you all, you may be seeing few things, inspirations. You may be getting few inspirations regarding your work or in your personal life, the things you need to do. So, and I also see here some new beginnings in your life, maybe a family. Maybe you're planning to have a child, or maybe your person is having a child, or someone from your close circle, some of your friends or family, somebody is having a child, guys. And maybe certain things are taking a proper shape in your relationship or in your work. Some things you want to manifest, those things are beginning to roll out, like those actions are taking place. So that is also the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you may be getting a news from somebody, some friend or family. They may bring a happy news, a good news. This may be regarding someone pregnant or some new venture, something of that sort, guys. So that may also be the energy here. Maybe for some of you all, because of these inspirations that you have, few of you all, you may feel a certain kind of anxiety regarding that. So sometimes you feel anxious when you don't know how you want to manifest what you're thinking. So your intuition may say certain things, but you are not finding the ways to make those manifest. That may be the reason for these anxieties, or maybe with heavy work, or because of your position. Just like I mentioned, you command great respect from people. Maybe because of that, you may not find time to be with this person. That may also be the reason that you are feeling somewhat loneliness in your heart. Some kind of sadness or pain is there. So you may be missing them, your person. You may be missing them because you are not finding time to be with them. That may also be the energy here, guys. So some kind of loneliness is there, and because of your work, or because of your position, something. So that is the energy here, guys. And maybe this person, you are having a strong connection to them. Maybe this is a twin flame, a soulmate connection you have with this person, guys. That is the reason you are so much attracted to them, even though when you don't find that time to be with them, you miss them a lot. You miss them tremendously. That is the energy here. So in your work life, you're doing really well, but in your personal life, you do not find time because you have lots of things going on within yourself. You are pursuing your career, something very important for you. That may also be the reason for this loneliness, or some kind of despair and sadness, guys. So that is the energy with these cards. Let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards here, Virgos. What is the energy? What is coming for Virgos? Anchor, Child, Garden, Book, Dog. So with these cards, again, just like I said, you command a great responsibility, your position. So that may be the reason here, guys. You have so many things to do, and you are feeling very responsible for your life, and you want to make things right in your professional life before going into this relationship strongly. And a few of you all, you may feel that you are reaching your goal, and you are celebrating that success, guys, that accomplishments or achievements, whatever you are having. And maybe for some of you all, you are starting on something new, just like I said with the previous cards. Some new ventures, some fresh starts are happening in your life, and you are learning something. You may be going to a workshop, or you are gaining knowledge about certain things from people. Maybe some messages coming your way, some knowledge, something of that sort, guys. And this person is really devoted to you. They love you. You have that mutual understanding and love in this relationship, and they want to spend time with you. So that is also the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you may be going out with your person. You may be having a good time with them, partying or meeting friends, or participating in some communal activities, clubs, or some fundraisers, something of that sort, guys. You are enjoying. That is also the energy here, Virgos. So, and in this relationship, you have that mutual trust, and you feel you can rely on this person, guys, or they feel this way about you. So this loneliness or the sadness because of the separation, maybe a time being thing because of your work or responsibilities, or some new business or some new ideas that you are making to work. So that may be the energy here, Virgos. And that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Virgos.